This is Carl. Carl is a high school teacher. He makes 1,000 euros a month, a school teacher indeed. And Carl loves technology. He buys a new iPhone model every year. He buys new cameras, new video games when they're out. The problem is that this has led him to accumulate over 20,000 euros in credit card debt. I mean, that's crazy, right? So why does Carl keep on spending more than he has? How come he has accumulated so much debt? Why does he keep on borrowing? I think these are all important questions that deserve an answer, especially considering that in some countries, like the United States, for example, individual debt is dramatically high. So in my research project, I have tried to answer this, I'm trying to answer these questions by testing a very simple idea, which is that perhaps the reason why people like Carl make these decisions, so they overspend, they overborrow, is because they perceive themselves as richer than they actually are. They think they have more than they actually have. And this makes them feel more confident and like they can afford buying more, spending more, and borrowing more. So by combining behavioral science, psychology, and economics, I have developed a theory that relates this type of behavior, so excess spending, excess borrowing, to a wrong perception of how wealthy we are. And essentially, through some laboratory experiments, I have tested this theory, and I have found that people who perceive themselves as richer than they actually are 40% more likely to be spenders relative than savers, and also 46% more likely to be to take on debt to buy new things. So these results seem to indicate that the perception of wealth does matter for our decisions, and if we want to improve the quality of our financial decisions, we have to make sure that people are fully aware of the amount of resources they have. We have to nudge people into the correct understanding of how much they are worth in terms of wealth. Thank you.